The Wi-Fi grayed out issue on your iPhone means the Wi-Fi toggle in settings is unresponsive, preventing you from enabling or disabling Wi-Fi. This is often due to software glitches, network conflicts, or less commonly, hardware issues. First, try the quickest solutions. Toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off. If that doesn't work, restart your iPhone. Remember, according to recent reports, most cases stem from software rather than hardware. So don't panic. We'll focus on the most efficient and reliable methods to resolve this. If the quick fixes didn't work, it's time for more in-depth troubleshooting. Start by forgetting your Wi-Fi network. Go to Settings, then Wi-Fi. Tap the information icon next to your network and select Forget this network, then reconnect. Next, reset your network settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. This will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords, so back them up first if possible. Ensure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. Go to Settings, General, Software Update to check and install any available updates. Finally, disable any VPNs or Bluetooth connections, as these can sometimes interfere with Wi-Fi functionality. If none of these steps work, consider a hardware issue and contact Apple support. As a last resort, fully back up and restore your device, but in most instances, the above steps should resolve the issue.